Investing tips: how to build wealth over time with stocks. When it comes to building wealth, there are many options out there. But one of the most viable and accessible in today's economy is investing in stocks. Not only can it provide a steady stream of passive income, but it also has the potential to grow your wealth exponentially over time. I know many people who are hesitant to invest in stocks because they're intimidated by the risks involved or the complexity of the market. They think you need to be a financial expert or have a background in economics to even consider investing. But the truth is, with a little bit of knowledge and the right mindset, anyone can start building wealth through stocks. One common misconception is that investing in stocks is only for the wealthy or those who have a lot of money to spare. But that's not the case. You can start investing with as little as a few $100s. Another fear people have is that the stock market is too volatile and they'll end up losing all their money. While it's true that the market can be unpredictable, the key is to educate yourself and make informed decisions. It's not about making a quick buck, but about making smart investments that will pay off in the long run. And finally, some people think that investing in stocks is only for the short term, that it's all about making a quick profit and getting out. But the truth is, the real wealth is built through long-term investing and having a strategy that aligns with your financial goals. When it comes to stock investing, one of the most essential tips is diversification. This means spreading your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographies to minimize risk. It's like the old saying goes, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." By diversifying, you're ensuring that if one investment doesn't perform well, the others will help balance it out. Another crucial tip is understanding market trends. This doesn't mean you need to be a financial analyst, but having a general idea of what's going on in the market will help you make informed decisions. Research and analysis are also critical components of successful stock investing. This means doing your due diligence on the companies you're interested in investing in, looking at their financials, management team, and industry trends. It's not about making a gut decision or investing in something just because it sounds cool. You need to have a solid understanding of the company's potential for growth and its ability to weather any economic storms. And finally, having a disciplined approach is key. This means setting clear financial goals, determining your risk tolerance, and sticking to your strategy even when the market gets volatile. One powerful strategy that can significantly enhance your investment returns is the power of long-term investing. This means having a time horizon of at least 5 years, but preferably 10 or more. By doing so, you're giving your investments time to compound, which can lead to exponential growth. For example, if you invest $10,000 and it grows at a rate of 7% per year, in 10 years, you'll have over $19,000. But if you leave it for 20 years, you'll have over $50,000. That's the power of compound interest. Another mindset shift that can be incredibly powerful is focusing on the process, not the outcome. Instead of obsessing over short-term gains or losses, focus on the daily habits and disciplines that will lead to long-term success. This means setting aside a certain amount of money each month, researching and analyzing potential investments, and sticking to your strategy. By doing so, you'll be amazed at how your wealth grows over time. In conclusion, building wealth through stocks is a viable option for anyone looking to grow their financial freedom. By following these essential tips and focusing on the process, adopting a long-term mindset, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick, but about making smart investments that will pay off in the long run. Thanks for watching, and if you have any investment experiences or questions, please comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on advanced investing strategies and how to grow your wealth.